What's up, Hector? It's TJ and Chris showing off our new PC mods. Let's go showcase Chris's case. In the front end, we have his optical drive, custom cooled hard drive for USB 3.0, and it's a Thermaltake Chaser Mark 1, right?
Yeah, MK1.
And you can hear he has two 120 blue LED fans.
We can pop it off.
Pops off so easily like so.
Oh yeah. Show off the fan.
I'll be making another video with both of them turned on so you can see the lights and cool.
But Reese hooked it up wrong.
Shut up.
So my top LEDs don't work.
It's not my fault.
Sure.
It worked the first day, did that not?
I don't really remember.
Come on, it snaps on. You can do it.
I know, but it's plastic.
Okay. Up top, he has high and low setting fan LEDs to change the LED lightings, which you'll see on the next video. Reset and power. A cool eSATA hot swappable dock. Non-functional USB 2.0 for the moment. 3.0 ports for the moment. Another eSATA port and two USB 2.0 on the top rail. If you want to pop that open. And one 20 millimeter blue LED fan. One 200 millimeter tricolor LED fan. We'll call it that.
Yeah, tri's good.
Because it has three colors. Going to the side here. Has some blue RAM chips from G-Skill. Wait, no, HyperX. My bad. A huge ass CPU cooler.
But Thermaltake, the most expensive one.
Okay, caboose. He has a GTX 560 Ti superclocked by EVGA, and a 200 millimeter fan, tricolored. And I'll go to the back here. A Corsair TX 750 power supply. Moving on to my cool fan. Starting from the back.
Does your top pop off?
Yeah, it does. I have to unscrew it.
Oh.
I think. I didn't bother. Yeah. It's my backside, nice and clean. There's my Thermaltake Grand Tough Power 1200 watt power supply.
Which I want.
I know, because it's SLI certified. On the top here, on my grills, I have one 200 millimeter blue LED fan. This one's empty at the moment. I might get another 200 millimeter blue LED fan to match that. Front grill. Okay, I got two USB 3.0, one eSATA, one FireWire, and two 2.0 USB ports. Headset mic. A cool slide trap door for my power button, fan LED to turn on off and on the front LED fan, and the reset button. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drive bays.
Yeah.
These two bays are for hot swappable SATA drives, optical DVD drive, optical CD drive, so both dedicated to burning its own format. For this two bays, I'm going to put in a liquid cooling Thermaltake big water cooling system for future prep. And here is a 200 millimeter blue LED fan. There's a Cooler Master emblem inside of my inside of my case. You see two G-Skill 16 gigabytes total in RAM. My Zalman 97 millimeter. Oh, it's a Zalman CPU fan. I don't remember exact specs. Blue LED case fan to 140. The two GTX 580s, 3 gigabyte by gigabyte. And a 200 millimeter fan.
Oh, you got rolling feet?
Oh yeah, I got wheels because I'm a pimp like that.
Why rotate?
He's got some angled feet, so you can angle them out, or you can put them underneath or whatnot, or put them straight out so it looks like a frickin' turtle.
Oh, can't forget the headset.
Yes. And the headset latch.
And then he said that you can just pull it off, like it's not supposed to break or something, but it doesn't feel like it.
Yeah. Okay, and that's our build. We'll catch you later next time, Hector.
Peace.
Peace out.